If you learn a high value skill, you will never be broke, and many of these skills can be learned from home, can be learned without going to university. You don't need a degree in order to have people wanting to work with you either. So here are 3 simple skills that will elevate your chances of making $3K per client with a skill you can build from home and help you make thousands per month. For the most part, by the way, these can be about reoccurring offers, meaning that you could sign one client once and make the same amount of money every single month long term. So even if you got a client for, let's say, just about $1,700 a month, that would still be more than $20,000 per year per client. Number 1, learn how to use digital advertising. You could advertise on almost every single social media platform, but also right here on YouTube or on Google respectively, and just find a business that hasn't made the switch yet from wasting all their money on billboards or other old-dated ways of marketing. Today, for example, the day of recording this video, I looked for tax accountants in my local area because I need a new one, and I found many tax accountants addresses on Google, but their websites were either broken, outdated, or not ranking on Google's first pages at all. So if I was to contact all these 15 different businesses I just found today, just locally here in my area, right, telling them that they would be hard to find, that I know how to fix that for them, you know, there you go. That's the first example of what you could do. And when you master that skill, you can become the biggest asset of a business, no matter what industry we're talking about. And that was my personal number 1 breakthrough early on in my journey to becoming a full-time entrepreneur back in 2016. Number 2 here on my list would be websites and funnel creation. Websites and funnels, services revolving around digital platform creation will always be in demand, and a business with a well-designed website or landing page could make much more money. So you can definitely charge multiple thousands for a simple single job like that. Also, by the way, contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be good at coding. You don't need to know how to code at all in order to help someone set up a website for them. I mean, yes, it's not going to be as sophisticated, not going to be as complex, but it can get the job done. And hey, I mean, look at your average dentist, average restaurant, tax accountant, fitness center website, right? It's fairly simple, and especially if you can find a business that has no website or a broken one, it's better to help them set up a simple website than to have no website at all. If you want me to do a video tutorial on how to create a website in less than 1 hour, drop me a comment and show some love on this video. Number 3. This one I think is not so obvious and something a little bit outside the box, but selling a combination of the first 2 skills in a bundle or a customized package to a business and helping them on their journey to both launching a new website, funnel, and starting to advertise. If you can combine these 2 things, you'll be the number 1 authority to your client for all things digital marketing. And I mean, it's really natural and really easy to sell if you think about it. Imagine you sold them the website first, and then you can go, okay, great, now you got that website, right? What are you going to do with that? And they'll ask you, what do you mean? And then you can use future pacing, helping them to visualize a future where they sign an extra 5 or 10 or 15 clients a month just through their website by running ads to the website or ranking it on Google on the first page by running Google ads or using Google SEO, which means Google Search Engine Optimization. See, there are so many possibilities combining these 2 things. And of course you might be wondering, well, I got no freaking idea how I could learn any of these high value skills that you are talking about, Marvin. Okay, there are a ton of free resources right here on YouTube, obviously, if you just search for it, but you can also join my free group in the description of this video or send me a DM. You will also find all my social links below in the description as well. And to name a few examples here from my own clients, I'm helping a fitness center to get more clients via social media ads that pays me $3K every single month. I sold a website and a email marketing campaign bundle for $2K a month. Already kept that client, by the way, for about 2 years, so they paid me about $48,000 in that time frame already. These are skills you can learn from home. They will again always be in demand, even if artificial intelligence was to take over most labor. I mean, human creativity and the need for a go-to marketer will never go away. The marketing industry is projected, by the way, to grow by $224 billion in the next 5 years. If you were to come in and just make 6 figures, the market would not even notice you. That's been my first video on this channel. Thank you for watching. I will upload many more videos revolving around the creation of wealth, online business, and self-improvement. Drop me your questions below, and in my group I will regularly post votings for what my next video should be about, so you are welcome to join. There are free business trainings in my group, and these are exclusively just for my group members, so hope to see you there, and I hope to see you right here next time.